Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Fejiro. On today's video, I'll be taking you on a ride to an island called Petrie. So stick around to the end of the video because this is actually a fun place. You get to know so many things about this particular island known as Petrie. So this is me here heading to the highway. So on this channel we talk about so many things: lifestyle, immigration, so travels, seeing new places. So on this video, I'll be taking you on a ride. So today's temperature is actually very great. When I mean great, I mean it is great. Today's temperature is a whopping +8. +8, when you see +8 in a season like this, is great. So I decided to go on a ride and see what this place is. This is my second time of coming here to Petrie Island. The first time I came here was during the summer. And it was bubbling, fun. So we've been indoors all through this season, and I just decided to come and check it out and see how life is during winter, to make a comparison. Because the day I came here, the place was bubbling, full of life. Men, women, children, everywhere was bubbling. So I'm curious, I just want to see how it will be during winter. So here is me heading Petrie Island. Petrie Island is an island of parkland and recreational area situated in the Ottawa River in the eastern part of the city of Ottawa. The island has several nearby islands, and the general collection of islands is also called Petrie Island. So many things happen here, boat cruise, so many things. I and my family were here last year summer, and definitely we'll be making our way back here this summer, because it's actually a very fun place to be, full of life. So this is the entrance. From here you can see it's surrounded by trees, and everywhere is covered with snow as usual. This place is actually very beautiful during spring and summer. It's full of trees, animals animals, birds, so many things. But here it is right now. So if you zoom in closely, that's the beach. And as you can see, the beach is frozen. Cold here is something else. It freezes everything. Nothing is spared during winter. So this island is completely frozen. I'll be showing you a picture of how it looks during summer, so you can make the comparison. Presently, this is how it is. The beach is completely frozen. Then we have few people that just came for sightseeing, because this is actually a very bubbly place to be during summer. You hardly get a car spot to park when you come during summer. And here it is right now, deserted. It's just a few cars around. I'll be taking a walk along the pathway that leads to a different beach. So there are so many islands in this particular area, not just this Petrie Island. We still have other islands here also. But on today's video, I came to this particular one called Petrie Island. All the trees withered as a result of winter. People actually hang around here. We have seats, people just sit and watch fun activities going on. So currently what people do here is they just come fishing. If you zoom closely, we have people inside there fishing, even with the weather, current weather. Just dig inside the snow and put in their hook and they start fishing. So here I am, just walking along the pathway, actually leads to another island. This place is always full of life during summer. Trees, birds, everything looking very lovely on this island. But currently we have withered trees, and even the water is currently frozen. As I said, today's temperature is great. It's +8. We are fast approaching spring. So I couldn't just resist wasting the day. I just said, let me come and take a look and see what life is currently on this island. The pathway leads to a different island. Kept on walking until I got tired. So few people around, so I'm not the only one here. There are other curious people that came just to see how the place is. So I'm not the only one here. You can see that's the beach there. Water is completely covered, frozen. This is an island, as I said. You can see everywhere is frozen. So this is what winter feels like in this island. This is what life is. This is a complete opposite of what happens here during summer. It's always crowded. You can't even get a parking spot if you don't come early. But here is it deserted. All the birds have gone hiding. Rodents, everything, all the animals, rodents, they have all gone hiding also. Even human beings, they are not left. Except for a few people that just came just to see how life is here. This family also came with their kids. Let's just have a look at how the place is. So this is how winter looks like, even in an island. See from the picture, this whole place is surrounded with water and it's currently frozen. Everywhere here you see is surrounded with water. So I'll be coming here during summer with my family. Make a video and I will make so you can compare and contrast summer life and winter life here in the island. So what do you think about this video? Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, tell me what you feel about this video. Drop a comment. Now this is summer here, you can see life here. See the difference. This is how life is during summer and winter. So drop a comment, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I will always give you exciting videos here. You will love it here, I promise you. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Love you. This is me taking a walk to my car, so I head back home. Thank you so much for your support so far. I appreciate it. Keep the love pouring in. Please subscribe, like, and drop a comment. I will see you in the next one. Bye.